Hello guys, and welcome into the unboxing and review of the best quality kerosene lantern you can buy if you enjoy camping or simply are a fan of the high quality vintage objects. The FEUERHAND kerosene lantern. This amazing product is made in Germany and comes in this package. On the front we see the kerosene lantern and the FEUERHAND logo. Also the fact here that is made in Germany. We see that this original hurricane lantern is made for over 100 years in Germany since 1893. Right here we have the sizes of the hurricane lamp. We see the height is of 10 inches or 25.5 centimeters, the width of 6.1 inches or 15.5 centimeters. It weighs 1.1 pounds or half a kilo, and the tank capacity of kerosene or oil is of let's say 340 milliliters or somewhere around 11.5 ounces. This will offer us a burning duration of about 20 hours. Also the light output is of 3.5 candle power. Without any further ado, let's open the box and see how this beautiful hurricane lamp is. It is wrapped like this, and you can take it by this thing here and pull it out. Right here we see the FEUERHAND 276 model. This is how it looks. You can see the high quality of the German build with this logo attached to it. This one is colored in bronze. It is very robust, and it is made from galvanized steel, very resistant to any corrosion and rust. Also, you can find the other hurricane lamps in other colors, if you like. For instance, red, green, black, white, yellow, silver, even pink and orange. It comes with a heat-resistant shot supra glass that protects the flame of wind and of any harsh weather. We see that written here, FEUERHAND, and also the shot suprax made in Germany glass. Right there we have the fuse that has about 12.5 millimeters in width and 12 centimeters in length. From top to bottom, this is how it looks. So right here we have written FEUERHAND, original, and the name of the Near brothers. We can hang it even from here or from here. It's really nice. We can also transport it like this. It's beautiful made. Then down here we have the air ducts. And here where we fill the tank. This is how it looks. With the FEUERHAND logo. There we see the fuse, so we can use 340 milliliters of kerosene or 11.5 ounces of it. Right here we have the same 276 hurricane lamp model made in Germany, and there the baby special. From here we can lift or take down the fuse. It works really flawless. And this is how we put it back on. And here the same FEUERHAND brand and logo. The lamp itself looks really amazing. Also, it is really lightweight. It weighs about 1 pound and a quarter, or half a kilo, from 530 grams up to, let's say, 640 grams maximum. It is really beautiful made, and if you will purchase it, you will not regret it. This will be a long-term investment that you'll be able to leave even to your grandsons, to your descendants. So it's really this German quality lanterns is let's say a brand of its own. In case you would like to purchase this kerosene hurricane lamp, I will be grateful to you if you'll use the Amazon links found in the description of the video, as well as in the comment section below. There you will be able to find this outstanding product. Now I will show you how we can fill with kerosene or with oil lamp this hurricane lantern, and how it lights up in a total darkness or pinch black conditions. For this, it is very nice that FEUERHAND offers the exact instructions with images right here. So we can see that we only need to put 300 milliliters or 340 max, so don't overdo it. Then we have to lift the glass and then light it up, and finally to adjust the brightness by lifting or decreasing the fuse. So like this. We have right here, so on the left side we have this handle. Let's press it, and indeed you can see it goes up, and then we put it down again. We can press it down here on the left side until it comes to this notch where it can safely remain like this without a problem. And then we can put it down like this. I will show you this from a close distance now. So there is the left handle, and there we have that notch where it can be safely secured. Right there. Okay, once again we press it without a problem, and there is secured. And right here you can see the wick down there. It is easily accessible, and we can light it up with a match without any problems. And also with this notch we can decrease it, so we can lower it. Yes, this hurricane lamp is really outstanding. And this is how it looks opened. Let's put it back down. And now let's see how it lights up in total darkness conditions. What is nice about this high quality brand is that you can also purchase some spare parts like the flat wicks. They're made especially by FEUERHAND. They come in plastic bags of 5 pieces each. So I took 2 of them just to make sure I have enough. And also I purchased 2 of these spare glass parts. We have the FEUERHAND logo on it, and the shot glass, heat resistant, and we see that they are all made in Germany, so this is the highest quality possible. You can also find this glass with a matte finish look that will make the lantern appear like it lights up similar to a halogen bulb. But personally I like them to be like this. Now let's fill it up with petrol and see how it lights up. so that's about it. So you can see I stopped just in time. It's filled perfect. Now let's close it up. And there we have it. it looks really like in a fairy tale. It is so nice. The flame burns perfect and it's really powerful. And also the glass is really high quality. It's not smoked at all. I highly recommend you to purchase this hurricane lamp if you are into high quality vintage stuff. And if you would like, please check the Amazon links found in the description of the video. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I wish you all the best. Have a pleasant evening and a quiet night, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye bye.